on cars and siding on new houses. Post a job on Monster for free with a...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is the Sony CFD-E100. It's an AM, FM, CD player, and cassette player, stereo. You can actually get these on Amazon used. You can get these on eBay. There's a plethora of them on eBay. So apparently back in 2000, 2001 when they came out, they were very, very popular. And most of the ones I saw were really clean, just like this one here. Jeff got this one off of Facebook Market for $20. It apparently came with a remote control, but he didn't get it. And the cassette player does not work. So let's take a look at it. Controls. Ooh, this thing is heavy. There's power, the sleep function, the cassette controls, the CD controls, the radio band select either AM, FM, or auto preset, scan and save memories into memories, the manual tuning button, the mega boost, or bass, mega bass, volume control rocker switch. Down here we have a headphones jack. I think this indicates when you're playing a CD the track number. This gives you the battery condition and whether the unit's on or not. This is the display, which is really hard to read. It's an LCD display, and this says display, and it says memory mode, inner memory mode, if you want to save one of the frequencies to a memory mode or look at the memory modes. So I think this should light up the display as on a backlight. It doesn't. And then we have mode control here, mono, stereo, memory or manual tune, and then the open button for CD on the back. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Give me a second. This is where sorry, this is where AC power cord would go. Jeff didn't have that, or at least he didn't provide it for me. On the bottom is where you put the batteries. It takes 6 C cells. That's another reason it's so heavy. This is a cassette. Let's see. Eject. There's the cassette, which he says does not work. Close that back up. The antenna for the FM is right there. I'll turn this back around slowly. Put the handle down, and then this extends at 45 degrees towards you. I do not think it swivels. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, it does swivel. That's good. And it's about 30 inches long. So let's turn this back on. I say let's turn this back on. I can see it's really hard for me to read this. Let's go to AM.
These Friday rain chances.
There's AM.
60%.
Plenty of volume.
In the upper 80s, and that's your forecast from 10 Tampa Bay.
Feel good at work
That's
today.
barely turned up. We got plenty of
Feel good. I love
volume.
that. The workday kickoff starts at 8:45 on Magic 94.9.
Actually, that's FM. That's FM. Let's go to AM.
But no.
There's AM.
Paul is referring
That's AM.
to, because the sword that the spear
I
provides
get confused. AM,
is
FM.
for precision type of
I
fighting.
get confused
It
a lot.
isn't, something
Anyway,
that you
okay.
just
Turn the
handle.
volume down. We could go back to FM for a few seconds. Turn the volume up.
Got a feeling that I'm going under.
Not quite
but I
tuned.
know that I'll make it alive. We calling you my move on.
There we go.
You
Okay.
watch me
All right, that's enough of that music. Shut up. Good grief, you're going to get me in trouble. Okay, that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is another very unusual radio. Matter of fact, I'd like to have one of these in my collection. Actually, I got one right now. No, I'm just kidding, Jeff. This is nice. This is really, really nice. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.